Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you the easiest ways to make money online, especially if you have a flair for writing. Yes, so guys, do you know that you can write and get paid? Yes, for it. And I'm going to be sharing various apps or websites where you can make this possible. Yes, so first thing you can do is to start a blog. Yes, and there are so many websites where you can make this possible, even if you don't have your own personal website. The first app on my list, or the first website on my list here, is medium.com. Yes, on medium.com you can create your own blog and start to make money, start to get paid for your content. The next website on my list here is wix.com. Yes, you can set up your blog on wix.com and thank me later. The third app on my list here is wordpress.com. Guys, I told you on this channel I'm gonna be spinning all the tea. Yes, you know, here we don't hoard information. Yes, so my people ain't saying me. You know how we do it on this channel. So if you're new here, I'm gonna spill all the tea. Yes, I also have a giveaway at the end of today's video, so make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Don't skip anything. Yes, so if you're new here, go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd like to know you, meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. And yes, guys, in case you have not introduced yourself, my God is watching you. Introduce yourself in the comments while I introduce myself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you various ways to make. You know, here you're not holding information. Hey, GM, make sure that you check out my previous videos and see how I've been spending all this. Like I always say on my channel, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And to all of my Patreon members, I want to say big thank you. You guys are so dear to my heart. I couldn't have asked for better patrons than you guys. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for your love and your massive support. Guys, if you want to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community means you get a free one-on-one consultation with me anytime. You can book a free session with me anytime. You have full and direct access to me anytime. So guys, without further ado, let's just get right back into today's business. So yeah, come with me. Let's in this we're making money. We're making money. We're making money this year. Oh shit. Besties, the next website on my list here is weebly.com. Yes, Weebly, you can set up your own blog and start to make money from today. Another website is blogger.com. Yeah, so go to blogger.com and set up your own blog and start to make money. The next one on my list here is Tumblr. Yes, set up your own blog on tumblr.com and start to make money. Don't worry, I'm going to share some tips that will help you, that will guide you through writing or running a successful blog for yourself, guys. And the next website on my list here is Squarespace. Squarespace.com is also another website you can consider, you can look into and set up your own blog. And the next one on my list here is Drupal. So besties, if you love to write and you have something useful or inspiring to say, consider starting a blog today. In case you're wondering, what is a blog? A blog is a website where you regularly share your ideas or expertise with your leaders. And before you start sharing your thoughts, you need to create a website. And you can actually hire someone to do it for you, or you can do it yourself. Like I said, there are website builders like Squarespace.com. They make it really easy for you to put together a website on your own, even with no previous experience. Once your site is set up, it is all good. Yes, writing consistently and promoting your blog to attract readers and subscribers. And if you want to monetize your blog, you will need an audience, and you can use methods like affiliate marketing. You can earn income through product recommendations and ads. Yes, you can also create your own products or service and sell them on your website. Another thing you can do is to write a newsletter. Yes, an online newsletter is an email that you send out to your subscribers to share information or promote a product or a service. So let's say you have a blog or you have a YouTube channel and it's all about maybe yoga. So in your newsletter, you can promote your favorite yoga wear using affiliate links, and your readers will click. When they click on the link, it is money for you. And you can also use your newsletter to promote your latest online yoga workshops, your one-on-one online yoga coaching sessions, and your comfortable merch. Another way to make money is by creating a YouTube channel. Guys, what I'm doing is not rocket science. You can do it too. So guys, if you've always dreamt of being the next big YouTube star, now is your chance to make money on YouTube. Now, to make money, you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours to join or to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. Yes, over the last 12 months. Yes, or you need 1,000 subscribers with 10 million public short videos, yes, shorts over the last 90 days. And if you can meet the criteria, it's possible to start to earn money, using your YouTube channel. You can also try to profit from advertising revenue, yes, ad revenue, channel membership, and also selling merchandise in your YouTube store. You can also write an ebook. Have you been sitting on a book idea for a long time, guys? Why not try to self-publish and sell your book online, your ebook, from a financial advice and self-help to, cookbooks and fiction. There is no end to what you can write about. I'm telling you, if you're an expertise on the subject matter, on relationships, with your knowledge, ebook is a great way to get the word out. And there are so many online ebook publishers, and they include Amazon Kindle, Smashwords, and Rakuten Kobo. Guys, writing a book is something that you can do. It might take a significant amount of time, but in an effort on the front end. But once you publish, your ebook has passive income potential. Another way to make money is through voiceover acting. If you have a beautiful voice, a unique voice, a radio announcer voice, have you ever considered voiceover job? Guys, successful voiceover actors have a background in acting, although it's not necessary, and there are so many ways to do that. Yes, you can do different characters or even accents. If you have an accent, guys, voiceover actors can find work. You can narrate ebooks, online videos, or even online ads. Yes, to get started, you will need a professional portfolio to share with your potential clients. Voiceover acting also requires some initial investments. You might need to purchase a microphone, a very good microphone, and headphones, as well as voice recording and editing software. And guys, I have 10 bonuses for you. That's why I said you should always watch my videos till the end. Do you know that there are some secret websites where you can make money? First one on my list is Atapo. Yes, it's a user-friendly survey app that you should try out. You just answer surveys and you get paid for it. Guys, I've been paid $600 before, yes, to answer survey. GM Suben. I'm gonna be putting you guys, I'll be filling you in on all of these amazing platforms, girls. And the next one on my list here is Rumble.com. Rumble is actually like YouTube, but it's an alternative version. It's an alternative version that creators can use to earn money. And the next one on my list is Bestmark. Yes, Bestmark is a top mystery shopping websites, yes, where you can get a job. You get paid to shop. Yes, you get paid. They pay you and they also give you money to go and shop. Yeah, so free shopping. Yes. Another way to make money online is to use this website called Prolific. It's a top market research panel that pays members, yes, with cash. Yes. Another website is User Testing. They pay you to test websites and apps in your spare time. Do you know that you can sell pictures? You can go to shutterstock.com and start to sell your pictures. I'm telling you, it doesn't have to be your own personal pictures. It doesn't have to be a picture of you, but you can take pictures of the mountains, of the seas, of the road, of, random people. Yes, you can capture moments. Use your camera to capture moments and sell those pictures on shutterstock.com. So that is it, guys. Making money is, like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And yes, we have come to the segment of our free giveaway. Yay! So guys, here is what you need to do. We are finally, first and foremost, I'm happy to announce to you guys that we have finally launched our Telegram channel. So what you need to do is head over to the link in my description and comments and click on the link, copy the link and send to your friends and family members, your village members. Share it on WhatsApp groups, share it on your Facebook group, share it on your Telegram, share it in your Facebook groups, with your church, your mosque, your WhatsApp. Just share with your friends and your enemies and your besties. Get them to join. Now, when you're done sharing the links and you are sure they have joined the group, come back to this video and let me know how many people you have added to the group. You have to add 20 people, between 20 and 50 people. Yes, and if you add more than 50 people, you even stand a higher chance of getting selected. It's a random selection and it's for a period of time. So please go ahead and start adding people today to my Telegram community. Come back to today's video and let me know how many people you have successfully added. Do not lie about the number of people that you have added into the group, because once you lie, you automatically get disqualified. I don't know. Integrity is something that is very key for me. It's very important for me. So do not lie about the numbers of people. Like I said, it's going to be a random selection. So yes, go ahead and add as many people as much as you can. And yes, I'm going to ask for your bank details and I'm going to credit you with some money. But first, I'm going to verify the number of people that you've added, and I'll verify. If it does not tally, you're going to be disqualified. It's better to understate than to overstate the people that you've added into my Telegram community. So please make sure that you are sure that they have joined my Telegram community, and then come back here and let me know how many people you have added. And then I'm going to credit you with something. Yes, so I'm going to ask for your details. You're going to send me an email and I'll verify your ID card. Yes, when you send me that email. And guys, that is it for today. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button, like this video, and do well to share with your friends. Yes, and I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. Love you all. Bye, guys.